Hey guys, so as we know, we are here in June, and at Disney Springs, they have the Flavors of Florida coming, and I think this is like the sixth year that they've been doing this, and it is such a cool, fun experience. It's a great way to celebrate Florida, celebrate summer, and they released their foodie guide. Now, before I get into the food, I highly, highly, highly recommend if you are going to be at Disney in the Orlando area or near Disney Springs this summer to go to Disney Parks blog and look up the article about Flavors of Florida. And there is a um, culinary series that they're doing. They have different chefs from Disney Springs, from Disney themselves, that do a free culinary series, and it's on Fridays, usually about 9:15 in the morning, and it's starting June 27th. They have like House of Blues is going to be there. A chef from Maria and Enzo's is going to be there. A chef from Splitsville. A chef from Terralina Crafted Italian is going to be there. Like I said, they're going to have a cast member chef named Chef Lexi. She is a pastry chef, and the picture that they post with that is this little orange thing right here, which I don't know if she helped create it, but it looks so cute, and I'll talk about it in a second. Um, and then also the chef from Frontera Cocina. So this is going to go like June 27th through August 1st. You do need to register. It is free registration. It is a free event, but you definitely don't want to miss it. Like I said, go online. And you know what? I did this last year and got to see um, just an amazing culinary display. It made me hungry to try more food at Disney Springs. It made me excited for the Flavors of Florida event. So, like I said, I highly recommend it. And previous video, we talked about the culinary events where these great chefs basically make this amazing food in front of you and you learn possibly how to make it yourself. But let's talk about the food that you don't learn how to make and that you got to go buy because it looks and tastes so good. So again, Flavors of Florida, which starts June 27th and actually goes through August 10th, is going to be at Disney Springs. And this is a great event. Like I said, I think it's been about 6 years that they've been doing it. And it celebrates Florida. It celebrates, just all the cool food options that we have in Florida. So of course you knew there was a foodie guide. So Disney Parks blog has posted the foodie guide, and we're going to dive into just a few of the selections, starting with this right above me. So this is from Amorette's Patisserie. This little orange thing right here is an orange mousse. It's orange mousse, orange jam, citrus chiffon, and Grand Marnier soaked hazelnut fancier, which I guess is the thing that is holding it up. Yum is all I can think of. And then we do have a tropical dream colada. That's the drink beside it. It's a passion fruit, orange guava, so pog juice, pina colada smoothie mix, and you have a choice of Captain Morgan spiced rum or Malibu coconut rum. Very refreshing, in my opinion. So, you also do have lots of other foods at lots of other places. But like I said, here's just some of the ones I like. So we have Chicken Guy, which if you guys have not been to Chicken Guy, you are missing out. Now, I do miss the days when they had 50 million flavors of sauces, but I understand they had to scale it down. But milkshakes are awesome at Chicken Guy. As for Flavors of Florida, they are doing key lime shakes. That's what that is above us. And then we have a Cuban sandwich. I love me a Cuban sandwich. Cuban sandwiches are awesome. Love them. So, two great options right here. Now, Chicken Guy is only listing the shake. The Cuban sandwich is being listed at Cilantro Urban Eatery, which I'm not sure if this is a booth or a new restaurant. I am not familiar with this restaurant, but either way, go check both out. Um, yeah, let's look at more. Over at the Daily Poutine booth, we have a St. Augustine Dottle pepper frites. I do not know what Dottle pepper sauce is, but it's on this, and I don't know if it's going to be spicy or not, but I'm okay with still trying it. We do have a Florida Hearts of Palm slaw on top, beer cheese sauce, and it's made with an orange pilsner from Sunshine Stroll. So those are awesome. I have never had a poutine at this booth that I did not like. So, but to wash that down, you have a blueberry vodka lemonade. So blueberry vodka, blues curacao. I never pronounce it right. Simply lemonade, Minute Maid cranberry juice, and garnish with blueberries and a lemon wheel. That just looks refreshing as well. Okay, if you guys have not been to Eat by Manit Chawan, and I am sorry for butchering your name, but you are an amazing chef and I love you, go there. Now, yes, I have a picture of the drink, but the food is amazing at this restaurant. I can't wait to go back. But the drink is too cute for me not to talk about. It is called Hank's Gulf Coast Sunset. It's vodka, orange juice, candied orange syrup, and a splash of grenadine. And the little octopus is super cute. And that might be part of the reason why I want this drink. But without the octopus, it looks really good. And of course, it being Flavors of Florida, it would not be complete without something Orange Bird, because he's like the little mascot of this, which makes total sense. So Swirls on the Water has these two treats right here. You've got the key lime sundae, and it's Dole Whip lime, and it's in a waffle bowl with the whipped cream and a lime garnish. And then you got an Orange Bird cone, which is orange Dole Whip with an orange cone and sprinkles and a chocolate piece. One thing I've noticed that with all of these menu items, which you can go to Disney Parks blog to look at the whole menu, is there's a lot of key lime, which makes a lot of sense, and a lot of orange, which again makes a lot of sense. So this is a great chance to try different key lime things, try different orange things, and also just try different foods. But I tell you what, no matter what I eat when I go to Disney Springs, I'm ending with one of these guys. And we know I love Orange Bird, so it's probably going to be this guy. Sorry, not sorry. But yeah, let me know in the comments below what you're excited to try at Flavors of Florida, and I'll see you next time.